Yo, what's up? It's Major from Ada's Dream, and today I'm going to show you guys how to prevent your mold candles from breaking in half. Let's go. Yo, what's up? It's Major from Ada's Dream. We're back again with another video to bring you guys some awesome content. But before we get started today, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep bringing you guys good content in relation to the candle business. Okay, today what we're going to talk about is how to prevent your molding candles from breaking in half. I know it's a major headache to make a mold candle and to pull it out your pillow wax and then to have it all the way break in half. It's a headache. I've been there and I figured out the number one way to prevent this from happening. And what you need to make sure you have is Pro Blend 450 paraffin wax. Pro Blend 450 paraffin wax. I get mine from the Flaming Candle and they are awesome to work with. And this is the actual wax right here. This is the 450 Pro Blend wax, paraffin wax. And the difference is this type of wax is specifically made for people who like to make molding candles. If you like to make molding candles, you need that type of wax. Otherwise, this is what's going to happen. It's going to break in half if you use anything like a soy wax or coconut wax. Those types of wax are only used for inside of jar vase candles. Anytime you're using a jar candle, then of course you want to use like a soy or a coconut wax to go on the inside. But anytime you're making these molding candles, if you use the wrong wax, such as the soy or coconut wax, as soon as you pull it out of your mold, let me go get a mold for you guys. Okay, as soon as you pull it out, one of these, when you pull it down, if you do not have the correct wax, soon as you probably get to around the halfway mark, boom, it cracks in half and all of your time is hard work is wasted. So, and this is what it looks like if you do it the right way using the paraffin Pro Blend 450 wax. Boom. It won't break. It's tough as nails. No matter what I do with it, I can tap it on the table and it's still good. And it still looks good. This is what you need if you want to make your molding candles. Make sure you have a mold type of wax. You don't have to use the Flaming Candle. There's plenty of candle businesses that sell the same type of wax that can help you make your molding candles. Now, before we get out of here, of course, I'm going to show you guys my 3 top candles. Here we have the Manifest. This candle is the Starlight Fragrance. I gotta get the top off. It has kind of a fruity / floral scent, but it's one of my best fragrances. Sells quite often. Here we have the I Love Myself coconut soy wax, eucalyptus, and spearmint. You know, the eucalyptus, it brings more of a soothing vibe. You could be at home reading a book. It gives you more of a good mental state, relieves stress. And here we have the Jamaica Vacation. This is one of the top sellers. This one right here, it is a more of a kind of a fruity type of scent, but it's definitely give you the vibe of that you are going on vacation. Okay, well, I appreciate you guys. And if you want to get a candle, make sure you go to adasdream.com to support the business. And I highly appreciate it. Wait, before we get out of here, got to blow out the candle. All right, guys, I appreciate you. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for you. See you next time.